Homewood, Alabama. A place that might not ring a bell for many, but it holds a special charm for those who know it. You ever heard of it? Probably not, and that's part of its allure. It ain't on no big map. You won't find it highlighted in travel guides or marked as a must-see destination. You won't find no towering skyscrapers or fancy resorts here. Homewood is different. It's a place where simplicity reigns supreme. It's a small town, tucked away in the heart of Alabama. Nestled quietly, it's a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered. It's the kind of place where folks wave at you on the street. They mean it too, not just being polite. It's genuine, heartfelt. Homewood is a place where time seems to move a little slower. The hustle and bustle of city life feels a world away. It's a place where old-fashioned values still matter. Community, respect, and kindness are the cornerstones of life here. People here take pride in their community. They come together for events, support local businesses, and work to keep their town beautiful. They look out for each other. Whether it's lending a hand with groceries or just sharing a friendly chat, there's a sense of belonging. It's a place where you can be yourself. No need to put on airs or pretend to be someone you're not. Nobody's gonna judge you for it. Acceptance and understanding are part of the fabric of Homewood. Now, I ain't saying Homewood is perfect. No place is. It has its quirks and imperfections, just like anywhere else, but it's got a certain charm, a unique character that makes it stand out, a certain magic that's hard to explain. It's in the sunsets, the quiet evenings, and the friendly faces. You gotta experience it for yourself. Words can only capture so much of its essence. Come on down and see what I mean. Discover the warmth, the charm, and the magic of Homewood, Alabama. Let's talk about downtown Homewood. It ain't your typical concrete jungle. Picture this. Brick sidewalks shaded by ancient oak trees. Quaint shops line the streets, their windows filled with treasures. You got your bookstores, bursting with stories. Antique stores, chock full of memories. Boutiques with clothes that don't come in 10,000 sizes. And cafes, don't even get me started on the cafes. They got coffee that'll make your tongue slap your brains out. But it ain't just the shops, it's the people. Friendly faces smiling at you from behind the counters, ready to chat about the weather or the latest town gossip. They make you feel like family, even if you just met them. Homewood ain't just about shopping and sipping coffee, though that ain't a bad way to spend a day. You can find some of the best brews here, made with love and a touch of southern charm. We got parks here that'll make you forget you're in the middle of civilization. These green havens are perfect for a family picnic or a quiet afternoon with a good book. Take a walk through Shades Creek Greenway. It's a place where nature and community come together, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Listen to the birds singing. Their melodies are like a natural symphony, providing a soothing soundtrack to your day. Watch the squirrels chase each other up the trees. Their playful antics are sure to bring a smile to your face. It's enough to make you believe in peace on earth. These moments of tranquility are what make Homewood truly special. And if you're looking for something a little more structured, we got that too. From community events to local festivals, there's always something happening. The Homewood Community Center's got something for everyone. Swimming, tennis, basketball, you name it. It's a hub of activity where you can stay fit and have fun. They even got a fancy fitness center if you're into that kind of thing. State-of-the-art equipment and classes for all fitness levels. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this walking and talking can work up an appetite. And boy does Homewood deliver when it comes to food. Don't you worry none. Homewood's got food that'll make you want to slap your mama. From down-home cooking to fancy pants restaurants, there's something to please every palate. Whether you're in the mood for some good old southern comfort food or something a bit more exotic, you'll find it here. And the pizza? Forget about it. It's the best you'll find this side of the Mississippi. Each slice is a piece of heaven with the perfect blend of crispy crust, tangy sauce, and gooey cheese. So come on down to Homewood, where every day is an adventure waiting to happen. Section 4. Echoes of the Past. Tales from Homewood. Homewood ain't always been about parks and pizza though. This town's got history, a history that runs deep, filled with stories of resilience and community. Used to be a sleepy little railroad stop. Trains would chug in, bringing with them the promise of new beginnings and farewells. Farmers bringing their crops in, their hands calloused from hard work, their faces weathered by the sun. Folks passing through on their way to bigger places, each leaving a small piece of their journey behind. But Homewood, she held her own. Through the years, she stood strong, a testament to the spirit of its people. Grew up slow and steady. Buildings rose, streets were paved, and the town began to take shape. Became a place where families put down roots, built homes, raised their kids, told their stories. Generations grew up here, each adding their own chapter to Homewood's tale. Those stories, they're still here. Passed down from grandparents to grandchildren, shared around dinner tables and at town gatherings, whispered in the wind rustling through the trees. The very air seems to carry the memories of days gone by, etched in the bricks of the old buildings downtown, each brick a silent witness to the passage of time. You can almost hear the echoes of laughter and music, the town's celebrations, its joys and sorrows, all reverberate through the years. Smell the aroma of mama's cooking wafting through the air, home-cooked meals that brought families together, creating bonds that lasted a lifetime. It's woven into the very fabric of the town. Every street, every building, every tree has a story to tell, makes it richer, deeper, more real. Homewood's past isn't just history, it's a living, breathing part of the present, shaping the town's future. Section 5, discover your own Homewood story. So there you have it, Homewood, Alabama. It ain't no postcard town, it's better. It's real, it's got heart. It's a place where you can slow down, take a breath and just be. Come on down and visit sometime. Stroll through the park, chat with the locals, savor a slice of that pizza I was telling you about. Who knows? You might just find yourself writing your own Homewood story.